Hey guys, just wanted to introduce you to a new garden bed we've just recently set up here at Austplant Nursery. This sort of represents the Northern Territory and WA. I went around there a few years ago with the family in a caravan and fell in love with some of the plants, so I'm sort of put this together. What we've got here is Tolotus. This is a fantastic plant you see all around Katajuka and Uluru. And right through the centre of Australia. Beautiful sprays of these mauve flowers. Seems to be flowering for a hell of a long time. Started flowering at the start of summer and there's still new flowers popping up everywhere. So pretty excited about this plant. Can handle very dry conditions once it's established and seems to be kicking along really nicely. Another one we've got here, it's only small but starting to go, is Aeromophila. This is a form that has a beautiful silver foliage and red flower. Again, really good for dry, sandy conditions, also very lime tolerant. Over the back end here, this is one of the paper daisies. This is called Bracteantha. Beautiful dry flowers. You can actually pick these guys and they will last forever, like so. So you can make things out of them. Very cute. What else we got? Down the bottom end here, I'll show you another form of Aeromophila. This one is called Kelberry Carpet. So it's a beautifully silvery grey foliage, and then you sort of get these orangey magenta coloured flowers. Again, very lime tolerant, good coast tolerant plant, and can handle extremely dry conditions. So yeah, if you want to come and check out the gardens here at Austplant Nursery, swing by. We're open 5 days a week. Check it out on the internet. Cheers.